Well, it's the episode that everyone who doesn't care about assembly and unboxing has been waiting for. How hard does this thing go for what it is?
This turn signal, the turn signal is going to be the death of me. Here we are on the ever reliable Honda Super Cub Lifan 125 Super Cub Honda. It's not a Lifan, it's not a Honda, I genuinely don't know what this is.
Triangle.
It's a triangle.
Ready? Here we go.
To fill up two bikes from almost empty, currently $2.43 a litre, New Zealand. 5 litres we took, so yeah, about $12 of petrol.
Oh, it is coming in there too. That's good enough. Well, I've got Andrew with me, and basically that's because I need a support person to go test this thing. So we never know what can happen. We just filled them both up with fuel. As you see, still haven't fixed the speedometer from last week's video, or from the previous video to this. The wiring's still hanging out. Only thing I've really done is made the brakes work a little bit better, so let's see how this thing goes. Gravel. There we go. This is going to be interesting. So we've got a rural road surface here in New Zealand, and this rural road surface, I'm going to put my visor back down, I'm just going by stone, consists of a little bit of surface, rock, stones, pebbles, whatever you want to call them. This thing's slipping all over the show. And generally that kind of lasts a few weeks, few months after it's been conditioned and brought up to spec. And then what you get after that is these two big mud patches if it's wet, or dirt patches if it's dry. And as a bike rider, you've really got to pick one and hope it doesn't lead you into any potholes. Foot pegs feel loose. Yeah, I didn't do the foot pegs up properly. That's right, it'll last unless it doesn't. I guess it's kind of a good thing this road's been rained on recently, but not right this second, so all the dust is being held down and it's not actually that muddy, which is awesome. Woohoo! Oh, if you get speed wobbles, they don't go away. Well, so far so good, but most of the gravel's gone on this road, so we'll go find some. I love riding off-road. It might not look fast, but it feels fast. Especially with drum brakes and leading link suspension. The foot out genuinely helps. Get that counterbalancing going on. I almost died and it feels so good. They say that, but on these bikes, you never really go fast enough to die properly. It's usually just a scratch here and there. Well, I guess that's about it. We'll have a should have a rundown. Oh, people have asked, will it wheelie?
Look at the mud collecting up on that thing there, collecting underneath the bottom of the engine. We've also got it collecting on my body, which is lovely. Things I've noticed is when I pull the front brake on, super shuddery. Super shuddery. The headlights aimed terribly and to the left, which sucks. The chain's all good. The rear adjuster, I've been brave and haven't even chucked on an extra nut to lock it up, and it seems to be okay. Overall, it's been a fun bike to ride. I'm super glad that it exists. Is it made to go off-road? No. Does it do well off-road? I like it. The 110 is a bit punishing. Definitely better than the 90 that was the other option. Yeah. Well, let's get out of here, man. These bikes are not meant to be here.
No, let's go back to the city.
It might not look fast, but it feels fast, especially with drum brakes and leading link suspension. The foot out genuinely helps. Get that counterbalancing going on.